Okay, come to another investigation on page number 19 of your book. What happens to the bicep when you bend your arm? Put your left arm straight down. Use your right hand to find your biceps muscles at the front of your left arm. Slowly bend your elbow and feel what happens to the bicep muscles. So, whenever we will bend our arm up, our bicep muscles become contracted, fatter, contracted, fatter, and you can say it becomes shorter. Three things can happen there. Whenever we bend our arm up, our bicep muscles become contracted, shorter, and fatter. Write down what you observe. So you can write it here. I have observed that whenever I have bent my arm up, my bicep muscles becomes bicep muscles become contracted, comma, shorter, and fatter. Yes, hence it's proof that muscles work in pair all over our body. I guess this concept become very clear to you people now. Now come down here. We are having another, you can say, exercise here on your book, page number 19 of your book. Open it. Write the missing words. It's all from the reading of your book, but once I can help it, the opposite of relax is contract. The opposite of relax is contract. Who will tell me the spelling of contract? C-O-N-T-R-A-C-T. Contract. This muscle pull the arm straight. Which muscle pull the arm straight? Tricep muscle. Which muscle must pull the arm straight? Tricep muscles. Here, this is written. The function of the tricep is to pull the arm straight. So this is the question here. This muscle pull the arm straight. Tricep. We use this muscle to bend our arm at the elbow. Which muscles you can say bend our arm at the elbow? This muscle, this one muscle, biceps muscle. When the arm is bent, the bicep muscle, it becomes shorter, and it can basically, the function of the bicep is to pull the bones into a bent position. So this is the answer of the third one here. Muscles work in pair. Muscles work in pair. Come on the fifth one. When a muscle is contracted, it is shorter, and yes, who will tell me the option here? When the muscle is contracted, it is shorter and fatter. Yes, good. Calm down on the six. Remember, you can say reading here. When a muscle is relaxed, it is longer and what is the opposite of shorter? Or what is the opposite of the last one, fatter? Thinner. When a muscle is relaxed, it is longer and thinner. Seventh one, the dash bone is in the upper arm. Yes, basically three bones are present in the arm. The upper arm is having the humerus, the portion of the arm down the elbow, it's a radius and ulna, but here they are asking us about the upper arm. So which arm is present here? This bone is present here, humerus. The humerus bone is present in the upper arm. I guess the topic become very clear to you people. And once again, it means that whenever our muscles, whenever we move our body, our muscles work in pair. And whenever one side of the muscle become contracted, the other side of the muscle become relaxed. This is all about our today's concept. Hope that you people have enjoyed this concept and you people get a clear idea about this. And I guess you people are are behaving like my best students at home, helping your parents, helping your mama at home, and becoming like a very good student. So stay safe, stay blessed, and stay happy at home. And do the, you can say, reading of your book. Do all the assigned work which your teachers has given to you, and just behave well. Stay tuned with me. Allah Hafiz, my students. Allah Hafiz.